Okay, what is up, guys? In today's new video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add clicking noises. Like, you know how in some videos they make like clicking noises when they speak. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do that. So what we gotta do is click audio right next to edit, and then click sound FX. Then you can put click sounds. I don't know. I put click sounds. This one's the best for me. Right here. And then, what is up? And then I go like that. And then you add the text. You have to put it exactly at the moment you're talking. And then you go here, sound effect. So we just keep doing that. And keep doing that.